Hello everyone, today we will be doing an unboxing of HyperX QuadCast S RGB USB condenser microphone. Alright, we will unbox this. First we will take a look at the box. There we go. And now we will unbox. If I can... There we go. This is the first thing we see. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. We have, looks like, registration form. The user guide. I guess this is just more information. Alright, we'll take the microphone out. There is something inside. Not sure if you can see it. There we go. This is what it looks like in the box. Alright. There we go. On and off button up top. The power adapter, USB. Looks like a connector for an arm. That is everything that came in the box. Now I will try to hook it up and show you what it looks like once it's connected to my computer. And I will be right back. Hello everyone, I'm back. Now this is what the mic looks like when it's lit up. You have the on and off button right up here. You have the mic gain down below here. And right here, you have the pattern knob. As you can see, you can select which pattern you want, so you will sound different. Now, I will select the colors that you can choose from. Of course, this is red. I guess that's supposed to be gold. That's it. The colors that I am seeing on the software doesn't seem to match up. Gold looks like yellow, but that's green. There's dark green. There's blue. That doesn't really match up with the color selection, but light blue. Looks like maybe navy, purple, light purple, and I guess that's supposed to be pink. Alright, now that's the solid colors. This is breathing, and this is cycle. You cycle through the colors. This is confetti. This is sun. And this is twilight. This is the HyperX QuadCast S. Thank you all for stopping by and checking out the video. And if you like the videos I do, please remember to hit like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye.